Hi all. To introduce about myself, I am Raji Ganapati from Chennai. I am an HR lead consultant by profession and also a homemaker. To tell you all the truth, I know to chant only small slogans. I never attempted to learn no other slogans. But I used to feel for it, and also when I see people chanting all these Nagasnamas, I used to wonder how they can learn such a big slogans and all. At that time, Hema encouraged me and motivated me to learn Lalita Sahasranamam. She taught me the nuances of how to pronounce it properly because I don't know Sanskrit, I am new to Sanskrit. With her guidance and one on one teaching, I could finish learning Lalita Sahasranamam within 10 days' time. Now I can say proudly that I am the first student to learn Lalita Sahasranamam from Hema. Thanks, Emma. Thanks for everything.
Okay. सदाशिवसमारम्भं शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमम् अस्मत् आचार्यपर्यन्तं वन्दे गुरुपरम्परम्. Prostrations at the lotus feet of the Guru. Salutations to Goddess Lalitambika. At the outset, would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Mantra School of Sloka. It is indeed a great blessing to be a part of this divine learning community. A sense of belonging is felt right from the beginning. Mrs. Hema Suresh is very polite and encouraging and very accommodating. In spite of her severe throat infection, she had kept us engaged in the class. Language has never been a barrier. As in my case, though I did not learn Sanskrit, she had guided and helped to chant using the languages I know. Learning slokas are made interesting and it has occupied most of the daily routine. As a result, the days are well occupied, more peaceful, and the clutter from our schedule has dropped automatically. Most of all, we feel more connected to the Lord and the divine force. All adjectives would fall short in expressing my deep sense of gratitude. My humble pranams to Mrs. Hema Suresh and the whole team. Thank you.
I am Bala from Chennai. I am a mother of two daughters, and my hobbies are reading books and listening to music and preparing new dishes for the kids. During lockdown only I got the details about mantra through one of my friends. Then I joined in mantra during January 2021. Learning Lalita Sahasranamam in mantra is really awesome, and our Guru Mrs. Hema Suresh teaches us in such a way that from 10 years to 50 plus years, students can recite without any difficulty. I'm planning to learn more slokam from mantra in the coming years. Thank you so much.